Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change delivery address on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then access your account at the bottom side of your screen. And now in the top right corner you should see settings icon that looks like this. Now from the list of functions and from the list of settings you should find shipping address, and if you have already added your shipping address you will see it right here. So this is your current shipping address. You can edit it, simply tap edit button, and here you can apply some changes, and do not forget to save it by pressing this red save button at the bottom side of the screen. Also, you can delete it completely. In the top right corner, tap edit button, mark a shipping address that you want to delete, and press delete at the bottom side of your screen. And also you can add completely new shipping address to your AliExpress account. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.